after all the rain, after the flooding, पूरा होने के बाद I
After
guess
his dance on Insta.
अरे वो मत देख रहे, don't I'm a better person now.
You're a better person. Weren't you a good person then?
No.
Why?
I was not a good dancer. I was not a good person back
You're still not a good dancer.
then. Better.
When did you dance after?
बॉडी में रिदम है. So वो सब होने के बाद after all the flooding, Hyderabad is little clear now.
It is hot today, in fact.
It was 30 degrees today at 5 o'clock in the afternoon. So afternoon क्या?
Evening.
Evening.
When I landed also it was that.
I guess Hyderabad is little better now. I guess everything is recovering. Current
But
सबके पास.
apparently the airport flyover was still shut up. The road, apparently the road is completely washed out and the flyover, new construction flyover near Shamshabad, it fell. As in it broke. And it's like literally an earthquake there. Yeah.
Current is back. Even we experience 24 hours of power loss. Internet तो power loss है रे. Internet थोड़ा inverter है. It ran for like 8 hours, but after that completely shut. We were in the dark.
And a few people had this doubt in the comment section saying that you people have a solar, but why? How did you have a power cut?
Oh,
so
we don't have the batteries. We sell the solar power to the government, and we get every month
a subsidy. But
subsidy.
whatever amount electricity we generate, it is deducted from our electricity bill.
So, and
that's how it works actually.
हाथ दुख रहा रे.
आदत चला गया ना, बहुत मैंने किया.
Hut and Amazon, the big billion thing or big billion sale or whatever, it's on. I guess everybody purchased. Festive season is on again. Dasara, Diwali, everything is on. So obviously people will purchase. We did not change our Wi-Fi router in the past 6 years, 7 years.
Possibly, yeah.
It was quite old and we could experience it.
And we started losing packet loss basically.
Yeah, the beam thing was still there. It's slightly better now, but now we have to change a new router. Yesterday morning I went online. I checked for the best router available because एक ही time पे I wanted to take the best router available and it should probably run for the next
future proof basically
8 years.
Yeah, 6 to 8 years.
6 to 8 years.
So we had two options. One was a Linksys AC 6600.
So the thing is, we had a regular router and घर में बहुत सारे rooms है. That is the reason why I always use a Wi-Fi extender. It's right there. It's shitty. So for that, for the ground floor, I need to log into another Wi-Fi. ऊपर के लिए दूसरा Wi-Fi है. It's all messed up. So now we bought a mesh Wi-Fi system.
We had two options.
But whatever. We purchased. Hold this. This is the router. This is Asus Zen Wi-Fi AX. Apparently the same company our laptop is from.
Yeah.
We are all Asus now.
Yeah, surprisingly, right? Apparently, whatever of all the reviews.
Covers up to 510 square meters or 5,500 square feet.
So it should almost cover our entire house. So first we'll do something. We'll actually do a speed test with our present router. कितना speeds मिल रहा है. So the connection which we have with Act FiberNet is a 200 Mbps broadband speed. So Ookla or whatever speed test, the standard one, we'll try and we'll show you what speeds we're getting. We're actually getting pretty pathetic speeds, and I hope with the new router it changes. If it doesn't, it is a problem with the beam because they have put in a new junction box and all.
We're getting 20 Mbps per second right now. That's the download speed, and upload speed again somewhere around close to 18, 20.
Yeah, somewhere close to the same.
25 taps. 30. Wow. 33. 34. मैं बोलते जा रहा तो बढ़ते जा रहा है. मेरा रिजल्ट निकाल रहा. You are getting 36
so that
on the top
speed. That was a speed test. Download of 20.5, upload of 37 close to Mbps. So which are, if you see in the normal world it is okay, but when you're paying for 200 Mbps line, you expect at least close to 150 or something. So
120 यार. Come on.
हाँ. तो अभी let's see how does this work. Let's unbox this. Let's see what how's the.
हम लोग पहले we did not unbox this earlier. This is the first time. Even the plastic wrapper is like stuck. कहाँ से खोलूँ?
Apparently we are very bad at unboxing things. Huh?
We are bad at video taking too, but so nothing is sponsored. We purchased it from our money. So And we purchased this from a website called imastudent.com. They gave us a better deal than Amazon. And it's a Hyderabad-based company, so I went to their warehouse directly and picked it up myself. So I know the owner, so I took little liberty. Yeah, but everyone will get the best deal. I'm pretty sure better than Amazon. If at all you find the product on their website, do check it out. Do check out Amazon first, and do check out their website as well. And if you get a better deal, obviously you can save 2,000-3,000 more. Okay, there are two Wi-Fi routers, the mesh systems. It's not that heavy, dude. This thing looks heavy. It's not that heavy.
It's heavier than our router presently.
So there are no weird antennas to this. It's new age, new technology, new everything. The iPhone 11 Pro, so it's that big.
Not too big actually, pretty decent, pretty handy in size.
Pretty handy, yeah. It's not that heavy too. So that's one.
So what do you get in
So
the box?
this, we want to place it on the ground floor. And one more.
Both are identical boxes. There's no difference. You
Yeah.
can place wherever you want. One will be to the modem. The second one will act as your extender or whatever mesh connector.
And you only have to connect to one network, and the other one will automatically behave as an extender.
I hope.
So
Let's see.
dude, don't say I hope. That is what mesh network means. Calm down. Okay. The warranty, VIP membership, notice, blah blah blah.
We got VIP such.
Okay. You get a Ethernet cable.
You get one. Okay.
You get one Ethernet cable. You get these are
Power sockets.
for multiple countries. So we decide. There are two power cords as well.
Decent. Small. Please. Both of us hate plastic. We can't stand the sight of plastic. We have to throw them.
Dude, Asus is such a big brand. Why every company wraps their phones or these things in plastic? Anyways, the minute everyone finds...
No, dude, people keep it. And again, it is even harmful for the environment.
Not harmful for the environment, it's harmful for the product. Because plastic factory se na heat dissipate nahi hoga. So,
see, again, their intent is that people will remove it. So people don't.
But all these plastic things, they
It's a
are
waste. Or they should at least give it in some biodegradable thing now. Even if
Again, the price will increase, dude.
Come on,
So-
yeah. How much will it increase? 10 rupees.
Do you guys like smell of the new product? I like smell of new products, dude. The box is dabba.
I don't think this box will smell nice. Yeah, this is like.
To be honest, the unboxing experience of this
It's not as good as this. Obviously, we paid 2 lakhs plus for this. But yeah, we paid a bomb for this router as well.
So I'm pretty sure there's an app.
Yeah. So, again, quick start guide here. We'll just go through this blah 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 all inside and fix the router and come back.
So that was yesterday. We did all the setup and
It took freakingly long actually.
we did something wrong and
The setup is supposed to be very simple.
both the Wi-Fi routers were not getting connected to each other, so we had to redo everything. That took us more than 1.5 hours.
After that, I needed to sleep. I had an early morning flight.
And we are doing it today. So yesterday you saw us with that Wi-Fi speeds of 30 Mbps per second, and let us test this.
I can't see.
That's okay. So, oops.
What is the speed you're getting?
Focus, dude. Camera focus. So, wait. So right now we are getting 194 Mbps download and 196 upload.
And our plan is a 200 Mbps.
200 Mbps. So बहुत minimal loss है and
Minimal loss? No loss only.
no loss.
क्या loss है?
So we tested out in the entire house
So this router, it's a 3-band router. So 5 GHz का close range में मिल रहा है, 2.4 का पूरा घर में मिल रहा है.
So yeah, that is more than sufficient for gaming. Now the next thing to do is buy a console and buy a good TV and buy good soundbar. खर्चे हैं, बहुत सारे खर्चे हैं.
Amazon Big Billion Sale, हाँ क्या बोलते हैं इसको?
Big Billion Sale. So hold on to this. So you
Best
guys,
way to save money during this sale is to actually delete these applications. बहुत पैसा सेव होते रहे, ये सेविंग वो सेविंग, वाह क्या लेके आ रहा है?
I'm getting the old router.
Oh.
So you guys have seen the new one, right? And this is the new technology. So see, you'll not have all these weird antennas and all. So everything is gone. This is a old router. It is there. It will be a backup router for us.
बहुत बैकअप राउटर, इससे पहले वाला भी है पता है अपने पास.
हाँ, बट वो वाला पूरा घर पे नहीं आता. एटलीस्ट ये थोड़ा तो ट्राई करता है. सो द न्यू राउटर डजंट हैव दीज stupid antennas and it looks good. It is flushed inside that closet thingy. And so I'm already.
Why am I looking like a dud or a tired guy? Because I am sleepy यार. I am super sleepy. Flight से आके I was just sleeping. बहुत tired था. रात को I couldn't sleep enough. Aggu woke me up in the middle of the night at 1:30 and I had to wake up at 3 o'clock. So
I already started gaming on Chit's Xbox. It's still there, by the way. So
yeah. So this bugger is on Halo. I'm going to. Okay. So I'm going to tell him to shut that game. I'll play a game of FIFA with him.
catch you guys in the next video.
Good
Peace.
night. Bye. Love you all. Take care.